Hello everyone and welcome. What do you call a plant that's part flower, part vegetable, and looks like a medieval suit of armor? We're talking about the artichoke, a truly unique and delicious plant with a rich history, known by many names, from the globe artichoke to the scientific Cynara cardunculus var scolimus. This edible thistle has captivated palates for centuries. But beyond its distinctive taste, the artichoke is a nutritional powerhouse. In just a few minutes, we'll peel back the layers to discover its incredible health benefits and what makes it so special. The artichoke story begins in the sun-drenched Mediterranean, where its wild ancestor, the cardoon, still grows. It was the ancient Greeks and Romans who first cultivated this plant. Today, places like Castroville, California, proudly bear the title of the artichoke capital of the world. This architectural plant can grow several feet tall. Its sturdy stalk is topped with the edible bud, which, if left unharvested, opens into a stunning violet-blue flower. Harvesting is all about timing, when the bud is tightly closed and firm. Now, let's talk about why the artichoke is so much more than a pretty face. A single medium artichoke provides significant fiber for digestive health, plus vitamin K and folate for bone and brain health. But the real heroes are its unique antioxidants, cynarin and silymarin. These compounds support liver function, may lower cholesterol, and protect liver cells. The compound luteolin can enhance memory and learning by improving brain cell communication. Every bite is a step towards a healthier body and sharper mind. While beneficial, artichokes aren't without their thorns. People with daisy family allergies may react, and some experience gas or bloating. Those with gallstones should be cautious. As with any food, moderation is key, and it's best to consult a healthcare professional with concerns, especially regarding artichoke extracts. From a wild thistle to a gourmet delicacy, the artichoke's journey is as fascinating as its flavor. It's a testament to how the right plant, cultivated with care, can offer a bounty of benefits. Whether you're a connoisseur or newcomer, the artichoke is a worthy addition to your plate. So go on, embrace this thorny delight and discover the heart of the artichoke for yourself. Thank you for joining in today. If you fancy a dive into an artichoke-specific cookbook, we've included a link in the description box to a lovely recipe book at Amazon, where every single recipe has an artichoke making a cameo appearance. We hope you enjoy it. Be sure to add your favorite recipe to the comments below. They are truly a delight. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.